Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today I'm starting the 12 days of cookies. I wanted to wait until we approached to be a little bit closer to Christmas. So today, guys, is cookie number one. Cookie number one is a lemon ricotta cookie. Yum, yum. You guys, this episode starts right now. Days of Cookies series has begun. As I mentioned, our lemon ricotta cookies. I have my mixer, which I'm going to be using a lot now for our cookies, which is very convenient. If you have an electric mixer, that's fine too. That's great too, actually. So our ingredients, I'll start out. Our ingredients for these cookies are, I have 2 cups of sugar in my mixer with 1 stick of unsalted butter that is at room temperature. We're also going to be using 2.5 cups of AP flour, all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt for our dry ingredients. For our wet ingredients, I have 2 extra large eggs, the zest of a whole lemon, and 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and a 15-ounce container of your favorite ricotta cheese. You guys, let's get to it, you guys. Right now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is cream my butter and sugar. When I come back, this will be creamed. We're going to add our eggs one at a time, our ricotta cheese, and our yummy, oh, our lemon zest smells so good. Our lemon zest and our lemon juice. I'll be right back, you guys. You don't want to miss it. Guys, I'm back. I'm going to lower my mixer and lower your hand mixer. And my eggs, I have cracked my eggs and they've passed the test. Remember, always crack your eggs in a container to make sure you don't want to ruin the batch you're making, to make sure everything's okay with the egg. So I'm going to add 1 egg at a time. Egg number 1. I'll higher it a tiny bit. Oh, that lemon smells so fragrant, so delicious. All right, here goes the next egg. Okay. So now I'm going to add our lemon juice. Yum. Our lemon juice and our lemon zest. Oh, it smells so good. This cookie is so delicious. And this ricotta cheese in this cookie, it adds so much moisture. The center of the cookie is crispy on the outside. This is good stuff. I have a lot of friends that have tried these already, though. I tell you, it's good stuff. Yum, yum. All right, I'm going to put my ricotta in now. Squeeze it out. There we go. Okay, guys, so we have our wet ingredients. Are nice and mixed. Oh, it smells so good. Beautiful. So now we're going to lower the mixer again. Always keep in mind when you're working with flour in your mixer, you start out at very low speed. If not, it'll look like a snowstorm hit your kitchen. I'm not kidding. Literally. Alright, so let me grab my little cup. I have all my dry ingredients here. I'll put 1 at a time. Ooh. I love making these cookies for the holidays, so I'll be right back, you guys. You don't want to miss this, you guys. Oh, and don't forget to preheat your oven at 375 before you start. I'll be right back, guys. Guys, I'm back. Our cookies are out. I always take a little spatula and take the excess off of our mixing tool. Get as much off as we can. And something else that I always do also is just go around the edges. It's very picky like that. I always have a little dusting of flour or No biggie. So, look at this, guys. Oh, it smells so lemony. Look at that. Beautiful. Our beautiful lemon ricotta cookies. So what I'm going to do now is, normally I would use a small scoop, but today I'm going to try something different. Since it is the holidays and I'm so excited, I'm going to get a little fancy here and grab myself a little, so let's try, watch this you guys. I'm going to do one and I'm going to show you. I'm just going to go around in a circle. Look, a cute little cookie. Look at that. Cute little round cookies. You see that? Look at this. You see that, guys? Normally, I always bring my I always bring what I do up to the camera, you guys, because I'm not a POV type of girl. I don't have a cooking show where all you see is the food. I like to interact with my people. I like to share my personality, my passion, and my love for what I do. So what I'm going to do is fill this cookie sheet up. I'm going to fill the whole pan up. And I'm going to throw it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Watch it. When you see it crispy around the edges, you take it out. And when I come back, guys, I'm going to show you the glaze that I made with the fresh lemon juice and lemon zest to put on top of our cookies. You don't want to miss this, you guys. Day number 1 of the 12 days of cookies with Stovetop Yum Yum. You don't want to miss it. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm excited. My first batch is out. You'll probably get about the size that I made them, about the size of a silver dollar, is really nice. You normally, with this recipe, you'll normally yield about 44 cookies, but they're a little bigger than that. So I always make close to 100 with this one batch because I don't make them so big. See, let me show you. See? Look at those beauties. See how they're crispy on the bottom? No. So now I have my beautiful lemon glaze that I made. We have a cup of powdered sugar. We have 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and a whole entire lemon zested. Look at that. Oh my God, it smells like pure lemon. Yum. So what I'm going to do with my cookie is, normally I'll grab a brush or I'll grab a spoon. So we're going to grab the back of a spoon. We're going to grab some on the back of a spoon and we are going to cover our cookies with it. We're going to glaze our cookies with it. Oh my God. I can't. For all of you, for all of my loyal followers that see all my videos, you guys know that I just can't. Oh. I wish that I had a button for smell-o-vision. It smells like a pure lemon in this kitchen right now. So just grab it and just coat it. Kind of coat it like if you were coating a cinnamon roll. Does that make sense? You guys ever use the packet? I'm sure you have the packaged cinnamon rolls, and it brings out a little square container. Well, I cook so much food that I'm used to blowing on it because it's too hot. And here goes. Mm. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so delicious. Mmm. It's so creamy on the inside. And so crunchy on those edges. And all that lemon in the cookie. And that beautiful glaze. Believe it or not, it's not like overly sweet. As incredible as that sounds, but I'm going to try it again just to make sure. Hold on. I'm a double dipper. I always taste twice. I want to make sure. I don't think I can put this whole cookie in my mouth, but I'll try. Mmm. 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 Oh my God. Mmm. Oh my God, this is so good. So remember, you guys, Let's make these beautiful cookies for the holidays. Put them on a platter for your family, for your friends. I know we're not having big celebrations this year. As I've mentioned in previous videos, we're going through this whole COVID-19 and it's just been insane. You know, God bless you all. But listen, you guys, don't forget, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, as always, thank you so much. If not, feel free to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell so that way you don't miss any episodes. And always remember, my 2 main ingredients in all my dishes that all my followers know, and now my new followers, will know, are passion and love. You will never go wrong with any recipe in your kitchen as long as you include those 2 main ingredients. And as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of the 12 Days of Cookies with Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you guys then. Take great care, you guys. Bye.